are going to see mobilization for the patellofemoral joint. So here to get knee extension, suppose if here we are having patella here, possible movements what will happen, either superior glide or inferior glide. Imagine this is superior and this is inferior, superior glide or inferior glide, then medial glide of that lateral glide, medial glide and lateral glide. So these are the glides, and one more here, medial rotation and lateral rotation, medial rotation and lateral rotation. This is medial rotation, lateral rotation, this is lateral rotation. So these are the possible movements we'll get over the patella. So whatever the movements are or glides are happening over the patella, finally these are going to helpful for only two movements, either knee joint flexion or extension, knee joint flexion or extension. So here first we'll see flexion, knee joint flexion. So for knee joint flexion, inferior gliding, so inferior gliding is going to helpful for knee joint flexion, and medial gliding, inferior and medial gliding is going to helpful for knee joint flexion, inferior gliding and medial gliding is the inferior and medial gliding is going to helpful for knee joint flexion. Now we'll see knee joint extension. Here superior gliding and lateral gliding, superior and lateral gliding will helpful for knee joint extension. It's very easy to remember. Now we are going to see patella mobilization. So patella mobilization, here we have superior glide, inferior glide, and then medial glide, lateral glide. So now we'll see first superior glide. So first we have to keep like this, then here we are going to keep our rib space over the superior patella and here inferior patella. So if you want to give superior glide, this hand should move upward, this hand should move, relax, be relaxed. It has to move upward, this is superior glide, and inferior it has to move downward, this is inferior glide. Now we will see medial and lateral glides. Medial glide, so here we have to give medial glide. I am keeping my fingers over here, then I will give medial glide. See, patella is moving to medial, this is medial glide. Lateral glide, I will keep my fingers here, then we will give lateral glide to the patella, lateral glide. So superior and inferior we can give with our fingers also. Simply we will hold patella, then we will give superior, inferior. This is the way how we can give patella mobilization.